Hello, my name is Vicki Leroux with andAdorned. Thank you for clicking on this video. On this channel, we are all about showing you how to make modern, fashion-forward jewelry for yourself at home. Each week, I share new designs, tips, and techniques from my multiple decades in the jewelry making industry. So if you would rather spend Saturday night at a bead store than the bar, this is the channel for you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. If we are just meeting, again, my name is Vicki Leroux. I owned a big, beautiful bead store called the Bead Factory in Tacoma, Washington for over 25 years. And last year, in 2019, I launched createandadorn.com to be able to offer those same high-quality jewelry making materials online and take our most popular classes and turn them into kits and be able to offer those now to everyone. So each week I share new designs, and those are available as kits, or the individual beads or findings are available. Or if you have all the materials already, we also have just the instruction sheets that you can download off our website that will share step-by-step instructions on how to make the designs we're sharing this week. We also have a monthly subscription, our Bead Babe membership, that is $15 a month. And just one of the perks for our subscription service is that our members will automatically get those instruction sheets for each new design every week. They'll get them automatically in their inbox for free, as well as discounts and video tutorials, access to our video tutorials for these projects as well. So I will leave a link in the description below that goes to our website that tells all about it if you're interested. This week, though, we are talking about one of my very, very favorite words, sparkle. And so anything at all that sparkles. Crystals, rhinestones, if it glistens in the sun, I am in love. And I am going to share 2 bracelet and earring sets, so technically 4 pieces. And my longtime customers will know that I am not a big fan of matchy-matchy sets. When I say set, I'm not a big fan of making complementary earrings to a necklace that it's like identical matchy-matchy. So meaning if I were to make a necklace that was black and white beads, right? Black, white, black, white, black, white. And then to do an earring that was just that same black and white bead on a head pin. Like that is a no. It's not very modern. It's not, I don't know, it's just a really outdated look. It doesn't look as modern as it could when there are so many other options, right? In the 80s, I had this dress that was white, like a white cotton, and it had a red belt, and I would wear red pumps and a little red beaded necklace and red handbag, right? That's matchy-matchy, right? So that stayed in the 80s for a reason, right? So that's not a modern look today. Oh, you know what is, though, back from the 80s? Press-on nails. I know, crazy. I need nails to do these videos just so they look nice, and I don't have time to go to a salon, and they're so inexpensive, so I can't believe these are back. And I only mention them because I got asked about it in the last couple videos. So they're really inexpensive. I think these were like $10 because of the little rhinestones and stuff that are on them, but they're like $7 or so. And they last a couple weeks, and each box comes with like 2 sets. Anyway, I think I can leave a link in the description below if you're really interested. Okay, I digress. Sets, matchy sets are a no, but let me give you some examples. So after this video, I am shooting a tutorial on how to make this necklace, this little pearl party necklace from our Valentine's Day video, right? So I'm going to shoot that tutorial on how to make it. So if you're going to make this necklace and you want an earring to go to wear with it, or go with it, it would not be unreasonable to assume maybe you were going to make just that little dangly pearl there, perhaps. But that, for me, would be like too matchy-matchy. It just doesn't look modern. What would look better with it, I think, would be more like the earring we also showed, I think, that video. Is just this little satin hoop earring. Even though it's a little, like this is a big necklace and that's kind of a big earring. So normally I would just be smaller, but something like that looks much more modern with that than trying to match these exact beads on a head pin or something. And it's not just my opinion. Look at any fashion magazine or website from any department store, right? You'll never see a model wearing the exact match as a set. And so besides not looking as modern or as fashion forward as you could, when you're creating your own jewelry, like if you're making, your own designs, over time, you'll definitely find that a lot of things you make have a very similar look to them. Maybe you make a lot of long pieces or a lot of short pieces, a lot of statement earrings. Whatever it is, you'll find that it has a really similar look. That's your style emerging. And what you'll find is that then, when you have a selection of jewelry, most likely you can then mix and match any of your pieces for the most part, because the same style, they would just work together, right? They don't have to match. They need to work or go together, right? So I make a lot of chain pieces, a lot of chain necklaces and earrings and things. And so as long as maybe the metal colors and things are the same, I can mix and match almost any of them. So it gives me a lot more options and longevity and choices as well. So that's just my little 2 cents about matching pieces. That being said, the sets that we're sharing this week are a little perhaps matchy-matchy, but the difference is that they are an earring and bracelet set as opposed to earring and necklace that are awfully close to each other. These are a little further apart, so they could be a little closer together. But the first one I'm going to share is our leather and lace set, and I actually shared this a couple months ago on through one of our emails, and so it's not a brand new design to our regular customers, but it's the first time it's been on this channel and the first time it's a part of our Bead Babe membership, where our members will get the instructions for them. So I'm going to try to do a little background on it. So there's our earring and the necklace, earring and bracelet for leather and lace. It has that. I just think it's super modern looking and very sleek, and with that big blingy flower on there that is the clasp. I see how close I can get her up there. Focus. So I think it's just a really fun look, and it definitely could even be a really cool choker if you didn't want to do it as a bracelet. And it's actually just a really, let me do the earrings a little up close. It's pretty easy. The design's pretty simple to make. So it's, I just love this set, and so I wanted to share it again as kind of an easy set. And it's only sold together, the earring and bracelet set, but it's under $20. It's like $19.50, and you have a discount code of BeadBabe10 for 10% off your purchase, and I'll leave the link in the description below. The other set, we're going to go for our grand finale in the sparkle category, is, let me see, I'm going to tip the camera down a little bit to share our little Rhinestone Extravaganza here. So we've got these big rhinestone earrings, these big hoop earrings, I think are really fun, and with the rhinestone chain. And then I did the bracelet in 2 styles. Let me see if I can put her against that board maybe, so you get a better look at her. So it's a rhinestone wrap bracelet with the little rhinestone flowers on there. And then the other bracelet, these are 2 different bracelets, so you could finish them off either way. And this one, instead of the clasp, has, it crosses and just has the rhinestone flowers on the end, and then the rhinestones all the way around. So on the outside, it kind of resembles a tennis bracelet. Right? Remember the little tennis bracelets? Those never go out of business or out of style. But on the outside, they resemble tennis bracelets, that you could stack. They're really cute. And we just do the rhinestone chain, and then the difference is one has the clasp and the little flowers there for the single one, if you want to clasp on it, and the other one has the flowers just on the end and doesn't have a clasp. So they're just two different options for finishing it, which I think are really fun. And this earring, again, is just our pieces, that same earring I just showed you without the rhinestones, and we just use the rhinestone chain on it. So these pieces are sold individually. The kit for the bracelet is only $15. And the kit for the earring, I think, is $24. If you order them together, it's $36. You can save $5. And then you still get the 10% off with the Bead Babe code, BeadBabe10 for 10% off, if you wanted to do them as a set. So those are our sparkle sets for this week. Like I said, there's a link in the description below for our membership if you're interested, and also for the discount code that takes you right to these sets. And I think that is it for this week. Thank you so much for watching, for sharing, for coming along on this journey. I'm excited to continue to add more and more designs and share this journey with you. Thank you for joining me. Now go out there and sparkle brightly like the star that you are. Thank you.